For me, the best way to see Thailand is not on four wheels, it's on two. On a bike, you really experience your environment. In comparison, being in a car is like looking at photos on a Facebook page. On a bike, you're really there. Now, if you're looking for sensual pleasure, there's plenty in Pattaya to choose from. But if you want to get a biker all hot and bothered, there's one place in particular that will really turn him on. Since Antonio Cavalieri Ducati and his three sons founded the company back in 1926, the Ducati brand has become iconic. It didn't happen overnight. The first Ducati model, the 1946 Cuccioli, gives new meaning to the words humble beginnings. If it looks like a bicycle with an engine stuck on the crossbar, well, it was. But, as the amoeba remarked to his wife, we gotta start somewhere. And once that little engine sparked, evolution swiftly shifted through the gears. Gentlemen, start your engines. The launch party for the brand new Ducati Showroom in Pattaya, a branch of the Ducati Rama 3 group in Bangkok. Big bikes are booming in Thailand, and Ducati is leading the pack.
Last year we overachieved the target at about 700 units sold in Thailand. Because it's a trend and it's just more affordable. We have now we have many financial packages to support them. If they have 7,000 baht a month, they can buy it. That is an installment. And also the brand of Ducati that's expanding, and everyone who dream when they are shy, now they can buy it.
Kun A is the general manager of the brand new Ducati showroom in Pattaya. Why do you think they want to buy Ducati? What is special about the Ducati brand?
I think design, performance, and the brand, the Hypermotard and 796 Corsair Drive. Hypermotard เป็น motard engine 8021cc, 110 horsepower, 3 riding mode, and traction control, ABS, good riding.
And there are two new reasons to pay Signor Ducati a visit. Here's the first one, the Hypermotard, the look and feel of an extreme dirt bike with the power and comfort of a luxury tour bus.
The Hypermotard has just come to Thailand because it redesigned the model to match the Asian people, the size to match the Asian size people.
The other new arrival is an upgrade to Ducati's long-time best-seller in Thailand, a compact but carnivorous 800cc beast called the Monster.
The new Monster, different 795, the different 796, the big handlebar, wide stripe front to back, and a big tri, the tri 180. Different wheel.
The white stripe and red stitching are certainly easy on the eye, but they hardly justify the $14,000 price tag. The new Monster makes its mark with the strong but lightweight aluminium handlebar and the new rear suspension system. The single swing arm makes it easier to align the rear wheel and remove it for servicing. Perhaps more importantly, it looks kick ass.
So what else can I buy here?
Anyone who is interested in Ducati, please come to visit our showroom. We have accessory and apparel.
There are plenty of branded accessories to go along with your Ducati bike, or perhaps instead of the bike if your lottery numbers came up short. But the new Pattaya Showroom is more than just a pretty face. Behind lurks a full service centre to keep your machine clean, lean and mean. Well, these guys might have a bike to rebuild in a few minutes because it's time for me to put the new Monster through its paces.
Can I go on this one instead? No, wait. But they've all been on a Honda Phantom 200cc. This will be, by far, the biggest bike I've ever been on, by a factor of 4. Can I handle it? Real man can share the feelings, right? Absolutely shitting myself. Right, here we go. Not nervous at all. Got the life insurance policy in place. I'm riding a motorbike. Right, almost there. Fully branded, and we're ready to go.
The sun, the sea, and the open road. The magnificent beauty of the Thai coastline. The grace and power surging between my legs. What a perfect moment to fall on my ass. Please don't let it happen. Phew.
That is quite a ride.